In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove apps from your home screen without deleting that app using iPhone on iOS 16. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, to be able to remove app from home screen, I need to hold down the app icon. Let's say I want to remove that pages icon from my home screen, and there it comes up that options, and here I hit on remove app, and now there I can delete app to completely delete that app from the device, or I can remove that app just from the home screen. I'll select that option. Now you see that icon was removed, but the app is still installed on that device. I can hit search, I can there type in pages, and here I can open up that app and use it as I normally would, but there are no this app icon anymore on the home screen. And that's how it works, guys. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.